Okay, come on, get in here, people. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here, ladies and gentlemen. Get in here. Get in here. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a couple minutes. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Okay, okay. I don't know what's going on with the connection. Put a one in the chat, ladies and gentlemen, if you can hear me. Put a one in the chat. Put a one in the chat if you can hear me. Okay, so guys, so first and foremost, I'm not in Fulton County today. I am actually just broke a story on TMZ right now. But I'm not in Fulton County. I didn't have any interest in watching or hearing because I essentially knew what was going to happen. But for all those who had tuned in, this was, well, I knew the judge she did have the right to rescind the Rule 22. I didn't think she was going to do it. But this was a public shaming. This was a public shaming, to say the least. For someone to have to tell you, you have to report fact-based information while you're wearing a journal media badge saying you're a journalist. It's not. It was a rebuke of her behavior. Judge Whitaker Judge Whitaker knew the BS that she was selling her. She said, "Listen," I'm like, "Wait a minute." She put on that soft voice. She put on that. She should have put the black dress on. The judge might have just dismissed it right away. She put the soft voice on. You know I'm having fun. It's Friday. I just broke a big story on TMZ, ladies and gentlemen. It's on there. I'm actually in another county right now, but I just wanted to say the judges. When the judge hinted the code of ethics of journalism, I'm like, wait a minute, Your Honor. I tried to show that before. I tried to show it before, but listen, it is what it is. She wants to be famous. She is now famous around the world. The judge rebuked you. Listen. It's Friday. I'm just having a little fun, Sylvia. So we good. We good. In your presentation without an attorney, I would commend you because you were feeding it. You were shoveling it, and the judge asked you, "What the hell are you talking about, SpongeBob?" And wait, hold on. What cartoon character is Zesty? I don't know if that was kind of a slur, but I'm not. It ain't for me to judge. But it was, listen, the judge understood. She has the First Amendment right. She didn't violate the law. But the judge wanted to rebuke you and say, you got to report factual information. That's part of journalism. You got to report the facts. You can't just make up stuff. Judge is not having that. And hopefully moving forward, this will be a wake-up call. That's the whole thing I've been trying to say. Just come in and report the facts. Judge say, well, I know you got to fill up the content, but listen, you're already mentioning you're mentioning the paper in the RICO case. I mean, I get it. It's promotion of a different level, but I would just say, read the rules of conduct for journalists. Read the rules of conduct for journalists. That's all you have to do. Big Brother was telling you that. I was telling you, listen, here's a black dress and here's a rule of conduct that you should follow. That's all. No one hating on you, nothing. I'm just saying you can't make us look bad. Because if you tell a lie, then everyone's going to assume it's fake news, and they're not going to take any of us serious when we come in the courtroom. It's the real people. And for those people who said Turtleneck did something, Turtleneck didn't do anything. Anyone that has common sense knows that the judge does her own independent research, and the sheriff deputies did their research, and quite frankly, none of this had anything to do with me. For those that Turtleneck reporter, I didn't report her. I have no interest. As a matter of fact, if I didn't have a Rule 22 ever again, I'm still moving about these streets. I just broke a national story. I didn't need a Rule 22 to break a national story. I just got to be out there hitting the ground, hit the pavement. Listen. Listen. No one can tell me who, how, and when I can talk about something. It is what it is. You got to. If you over here telling me how I should talk, you probably need to go somewhere else. As a matter of fact, exit stage left, exit stage left. But I'm actually in another county. I did watch that portion of the hearing, um, and I just said, hey, listen. I mean, I don't know if it was intentional, but I don't think that uh, it it harmed financially. I think it actually helped. As a matter of fact, hold on. That miso soup. Good morning. What was it? Good morning. It's 12:30. But it is what it is. Um, and I would tell you, even the day that this happened, I wasn't even in the courthouse. I wasn't even. No, they didn't take a Rule 22, but it's on law and crime. Literally, it happened 15 minutes ago. It's on the stream. Whoever's streaming, pull your playhead back 15 minutes ago. You can see exactly what the judge said. And it was interesting. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Oh, this is a important call. Oh my goodness. Guys, I don't know what happened.